there guys, welcome back to another video. You know, I can't help but notice that while gaming videos on YouTube are becoming more and more popular, a lot of people, while they post their videos at 1080p, they do struggle to get their videos to look good or actually high quality. Yeah, YouTube might say that your video is 1080p, but you should know that not all 1080p videos are created equal. Right now, I'm going to throw up some gameplay footage that's 1080p on the screen. As you can see, it doesn't look that good, and it's because it has improper render settings. But if you follow this tutorial, you could get your gameplay to look like this instead. Anyway, I'm your friendly neighborhood tech guy, Mike, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make high quality gaming videos. Before we continue, I just wanted to give a quick shout out to the sponsor of this video, CDK Offers. CDK Offers specialize in providing a diverse selection of digital codes for the latest and hottest products, including software like Windows 10 keys for tons of different video games. CDK Offers carries product keys at discounted prices with instant delivery through their automated checkout system. CDK Offers carries everything from Steam keys, PlayStation Network cards, and PC games, expansion packs, and software keys. So check them out at cdkoffers.com or click the link to their website in the description down below. And make sure to use my discount code OO20 at checkout for an additional 20% off your purchase. The first step in buying your Windows 10 Pro key is going to be to make an account by signing up at CDK Offers. After that, simply click on Buy Now and use my discount code OO20 for an additional 20% off. All you have to do is type OO20 and hit apply to receive your discount. And as you can see, it actually changed the price. Then, once the discount has been applied, you only have to hit submit order. Then simply choose your payment method of choice to check out. Please note that there might be an additional service fee depending on how you choose to check out. Personally, I'm going to go ahead and use PayPal. Once you've completed your purchase, simply go to My Purchased Orders where you can view all of your purchase codes and keys, and then click on the View Keys/Codes button. Next, you simply hit Get the Key, copy your key number, type activation in your Windows search bar, click on activation settings, click on change product key, paste, and hit next, and then activate. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get those gaming videos looking beautiful. Right off the bat, I'm going to recommend that you download a streaming program called OBS to record your gameplay. If you would like to download it, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below you can use to get it. I've actually already made a video showing you guys how to set up OBS in the event that you want to be a live streamer. In that same video, I actually show you guys how to set up a gameplay scene so that you could record your gameplay as well. I'm going to leave a card right now in the upper right corner that you can click in the case that you would like to watch it. The most important thing you could do to get high quality gameplay recordings is having the correct settings for recording set up in OBS. In order to access the recording quality settings in OBS, go ahead and click on File in the upper left-hand corner of the program, then go to Output and then switch the output mode from Simple to Advanced. Next, you are going to want to go to the Recording tab of your OBS output settings, and you're going to want to put the following settings in order to have a nearly lossless recording quality. Just a quick disclaimer, it's important to keep in mind that the higher quality your recording is, you will typically also have to have a better PC to keep up with that level of recording. To get the highest quality recordings, go ahead and set your recording format to MKV, which prevents you from losing your video file while recording if your computer crashes. If you have a newer NVIDIA graphics card, set your encoder to NVIDIA NVIC H.264 new. Otherwise, set your encoder to X264. Then, set your rate control to CQP, set your CQ level to the number 20, set your keyframe interval to the number 2, set your preset to max quality, set your profile to high, and then lastly, set your max B frame to the number 2. Instead, for X264, what you're going to want to do is set your rate control to CBR, and then you're going to want to make your bitrate 15,000 kbps instead. Now that you have the correct settings in the output section, you have to go to the video section, and you should set your base canvas resolution to 1920 by 1080. Set your output scaled resolution to 1920 by 1080 as well, and then set your downscale filter to Langsos. Lastly, set your common FPS values to 60 in order to record your gameplay at 60 frames per second. Last but not least, you're going to want to go to your advanced section of your OBS settings. Make sure your color space is set at 601. Set your color range at partial, and make sure you take the automatically remux to MP4 box. Otherwise, your recordings will stay as MKV files, which are largely incompatible with most editing programs. This setting will automatically convert your MKV files to MP4 files, which are much more compatible. Just make sure to delete your MKV files after it has been remuxed into an MP4 so you don't have a bunch of copies on your hard drive of the same video. In the event that your computer is too weak to handle these recording settings, I did make a video that you can use as a guide to use trial and error in order to find the best quality settings that your PC can handle. I'll leave the link to that video in the description as well as in the upper right corner as a card. In the event that you want to use this raw unedited footage, you're pretty much done. Your gameplay is going to look beautiful. However, if you're going to be a content creator, especially here on YouTube, it's highly recommended that you actually edit your gameplay videos. Now, I'm going to show you guys the best export settings you should use once you finish editing your video. Personally, I like to use Adobe Premiere Pro, but you could use these same settings on any other editing program. In this tutorial, I won't be showing you guys how to edit your gaming videos. If you would like for me to make a tutorial on how I personally edit my gaming videos, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below. Once you have finished editing your video, go to File, Export, and then for your format, select H.264. Then for your output name, click on the blue text and it will allow you to name your video and choose the destination that you will export your video to. Next, you will want to click on the Video tab. Everything from the width drop-down menu to aspect drop-down menu will be automatically correct because of your OBS settings. Make sure you take the render at maximum depth box. Next, you will have to choose your encoding settings. For your performance, select software encoding. For profile, select high, then for level, select 5.1. Everything from mastering display color volume and content light levels will be correct as is. You will have to go to bitrate settings next. For your bitrate encoding, select VBR2 pass. For your target bitrate, select 14 megabits per second. And for your maximum bitrate, you will want to select 16 megabits per second. The only other thing you will want to be sure to do is to tick the Use Maximum Render Quality box, then click Export to render your video. Again, it's important to remember that these settings will make your videos very high quality, but also very large. This means both that your video will take a lot longer to render and it will also take up a lot more space on your hard drive. You will personally have to decide if you think that the additional wait time and storage is worth the bump in quality. Anyway, that's pretty much all for this topic. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. If not, you could always hop into the community Discord where there's tons of smart people that could help you with any issues you might have at all times. Make sure that you guys are checking out my gaming streams on my gaming YouTube channel at Michael C. Moore Gaming, or if not, you could always check me out at twitch.tv/Michael C. Moore, where I stream every day. I will leave links to both of them in the description down below, as well as many different ways that you could support the channel if you choose to do so. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating. Frank. Pray for me, guys. Guess that answers that. Hell no.